Hey, I'm Brady, and I'm the head of customer support at Originality.ai. We're committed to providing exceptional customer support. Whether you have a technical question, need assistance with a feature, or want to learn more about our services, our support team is here to help. Here's how you can access our support and resources. So if you want to come to our website, Originality.ai, you can scroll all the way down to the footer, quite a big page, and you can click this support button at the bottom. It's going to take you to our help center. Now in our help center, you can see our frequently read articles. You can see different categories that our articles are usually published in. If you want to look about how to use Originality, info about us, your profile, etc. Or you can just search for things. So if you are interested in resetting your password, then you can search for password and see this help article come up. And if you have any questions when you're looking at all of this, you can click this chat button on the bottom right. It's going to get you in contact with us. You can write whatever you want, and these are our friendly chat agents. This is my face, good face for radio, and our other chat agents are absolutely fantastic, so they can help you do whatever you'd like to do. Another thing you can do if you want to log into your dashboard, if you have a subscription, then you will have this little chat button on the bottom right. That's going to allow you to click that, and same thing, just get in contact with us in support. It says we reply in under 2 hours. It's usually, as of this week, under 19 minutes. So we tend to be pretty quick. And another thing you can do if you're logged into Originality, let me move my good face video over there. You can click this help to be taken back to our help desk, or you can email us at support@originality.ai. Again, our average response time on there too is usually under 30 minutes. If you're writing in during business hours in Eastern Standard Time or during the US, then our average response time is often under 5 to 10 minutes, depending on what kind of issue you're dealing with. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in support. We're happy to help you with whatever we can, and we just want to help you accomplish your goals.